What's that, Skip? Righto. G'day viewers, Dano here from Dano's channel. Since I put my last video up where Charcoal came over and gave me a hand to install one of those smart light switches, if you haven't seen that video, click on the link up there somewhere. I've had a few people ask me about my smart garage door controller. I did talk about it just a little bit in that video. So yeah, I thought I'd touch base on it today. So this is the box that it came in. I picked mine up off eBay. Cost me less than $50. They have come down a little bit in price. You can get them for about $40 and all that sort of stuff. The one that I got came with an Australian plug, so you can just plug it straight into the 240 outlet up there on the ceiling, the same one that you use for your garage door motor. So they are very, very easy to install, very reliable. I've had mine over 2 years now. I've had no issues with it whatsoever, no connection dropouts. Yeah, look, it's been right as rain. Like I said, very easy to install. They're that easy that even a woman could do it. I'm sure I'll cop some flack in the comments over that one. Right, I didn't make a video when I did install it, but if you'd like to come out with me to the garage, we'll have a bit of a look at how I do have it installed, look at where the wires go, and if you've got a tech head mate or even yourself that might be interested in putting in a smart garage door controller of their own, then yeah, this video might give you a few tips. Right, let's pop out to the garage. Alrighty, that is the smart garage door controller right there. So I've just got it attached to the case with a couple of screws. It's fairly basic. This is a manual button to open and close your door as well, and that's the button that you also use to pair the unit. So if I wanted to close the garage door, I'll just give it a push and you see the door going down. If I want to stop it, I'll just push the button again and it'll come back up. Okay, it's just wired into 240, just up there, normal double adapter thing. You'll see I've got a grommet installed on my case and I've fed the wires through that. Inside the case, so all your garage door controllers should have this terminal block here. You need a ground terminal and the wire which is for the wired controller that you would normally have over on the wall. So you just hook it into that terminal block. This wire that you can see here goes down to a sensor at the top of the door. You can see one of those sensors there, so it's just one of the magnetic sensors. It'll tell you whether the door is open or closed. And down here at the other end, yeah, that's the sensor that I was talking about. So when the door's closed, comes down, rests against that, and it'll tell you in the app if the door's open or closed. Beautiful piece of piss to install. Anyone can do it. Rightio, well, I hope you got a little bit of something out of that. As you can see, they are very easy to put in. There's not a hell of a lot to them. If you're new to the channel, please click the little subscribe button down there in the doovalaki below. Give us a thumbs up, share the content. It'll help the channel out. So look, thanks for stopping by. You may go now because I'm busy. See yous. Now I'm going to flip it over in my vise. Kip, you better not be looking at that roof porn side again.